Hello everyone, I am so excited to introduce RoyalQ trading software to you. This is one of the most amazing opportunities you will be seeing in crypto this year 2021. What if the risk involved with giving your money to someone to trade for you, he locks it up and pays you peanuts, is replaced with your money being in your control, lying in your exchange, and you are making amazing returns on a daily basis. We are talking of having a return of 3 to 5% on average per day and a return of 30 to 50% on average monthly. Is that not amazing? Talking about daily percentage return, these bots will exceed your expectations. These are some results from some of my business partners I picked to try out this software. As you can see, this person made $7.3 already in less than 5 hours trading with $100. Look at what he said. I started trading with $99 today. This is awesome, right? This is another person. She set up hers today already. She has made $19. $19. It is not even up to 8 hours. She started using the bot. Here is another person. Also, it is not up to 13 hours. She started using her software. She has made $19.93. She's trading with $20. But please make sure you have up to $100 in your Binance account to trade with. And many more. This is not surprising. The bot will only make you profits, no losses. It's as simple as that. And I'm gonna show you why this is so as you walk along with me in this video. I am not gonna do a presentation. I am not good at showing slides, but I'm gonna make a few remarks on this software and why you should use it, and we will dive right in with signing up yourself and setting this bot up. I want to re-emphasize on this fact that using this software involves minimal to no risk, minimal to zero risk. In which ways? The first way is that this software currently trades only the spot market. Spot trading is one-to-one. Let me explain this. If you bought one Bitcoin when it was $60,000 and Bitcoin drops to $30, how much Bitcoin do you have? Still one Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes to zero, how much Bitcoin do you have? Still one Bitcoin. You have not lost your Bitcoin. You only need patience for the price to go back up. You see the true value. That is one-to-one spot trading. So this is not like forex markets where you use leverage, or futures trading in crypto where you use also leverage. So you're not going to lose your money. It is just trade and you make money. Let me talk about dollar cost averaging. The principle that this bot applies to making money even faster for you. I'm gonna explain dollar cost averaging with this example. Let's say you bought Bitcoin, one Bitcoin at the price of $60,000, and the price drops to $30,000 and you still bought. When you bought it the second time, it will dollar cost average. You have two Bitcoin now, and the price you bought all your coin will drop to $45,000, no longer $60,000. Okay? Now, the price of Bitcoin drops to $21,000. You bought it again. You now have 3 Bitcoin. The price at which you bought the Bitcoin is no longer 60,000, nor 45,000, but $37,000. That is how dollar cost averaging works. Now, at this $37,000, you don't need Bitcoin price to move to 60,000 before you make profit. When the price of Bitcoin hits 38,000, you're already making a profit of 1,000. If it hits 45,000, you have already made a profit of 8,000. Okay? Now this is how this board functions. And this dollar cost averaging can go on up to 7 levels, up to unlimited depth, depending on your trading capital. We will show you how to apply the settings. It's very easy, and that's why we have a mentorship forum, private mentorship forum, where we are going to mentor you, okay? But you don't need to do a lot of work. And besides, as you have seen, you are not losing any money. Even if you turn on the board blindly, you are going to be making money, all right? The only thing is that you need to know which coins to trade. You don't just trade any kind of coin. You have to trade coins that will always be there. And this is what being in a mastermind group will help you to do. The next interesting thing that makes the use of this software a minimal to zero risk venture is that you are in full control of your capital. Okay, you only need to subscribe to use this bot for 1 year. Only $100 subscription. Now that your trading capital, $10,000, $20,000, $100, 1,000 as you want to start with, is not going to be given to this company, right? The trading capital will be with you on your Binance account or Huobi exchange account. It is your money, right? The bot will start picking money from there. The bot cannot withdraw your money. It will only trade and close trades for you. You don't pay any trade commissions if you do not make profits. Remember, this bot does not close your trade on loss. It will only make you profit. So whenever you make profit, you're gonna pay 20% commission. 80% belongs to you, 20% belongs to the company. Alright? Now you might be wondering, how do they take this money? Yeah, like I said, they don't have access to your Binance account. They can't withdraw money from your account, but you have to leave some money in your RoyalQ trading software account as trading fees in advance, like $20. Now what happens? These $20 will never be touched. If the software executes a trade and it has not closed the trade on profit, your money will be intact. If it makes profit, it will withdraw 20% from the $20 you left with them. So this is just beautiful. This is very, very amazing. A lot of people in my circle, they make good money with this every day, starting with $100 trading capital. So why would you want to give your money to someone who will lock it up, pay you peanuts, and disappear after a couple of months or weeks? Now that all the risks we encounter with putting money in trading platforms or investment platforms have been taken care of, it is time for us to show you how to set up this RoyalQ trading software. Before I do this, I want to make this point. If you are in my private group, if you are in my business forum, please do not click on the link I will drop here to sign up. Send me a private message on WhatsApp. You know how we communicate, and I am going to give you a link to sign up, right? It is very, very important. And if someone referred you to me, like someone joined my business and brought you in, please ask the person to give you his or her link. It is important you are signing up with that person's link. Okay? Don't approach me. Alright? Unless the person is not interested in trading with this software. That is when you should write me. Alright? Then if you are a new person, you are seeing my video for the first time, or you are getting interested in this software but you have not been with me, send me an email, alright? And I'm gonna send you a link to sign up. But if you don't want to get in touch one-on-one with me and you don't want to be in our mentorship forum, of course, my videos here will be enough for you. Then grab the link in the description of this video and sign up, all right? And we would appreciate that. But it is important you are mentored. It is important you belong to a mastermind group. We don't do only RoyalQ software. We do a lot of things, everything crypto, right? But this software is a game changer because it helps us to do the heavy lifting. What we do before manually, this bot can do it 24/7. Having said that, let's get started with installing and setting up the app. To set up this bot, click on the referral link from your sponsor. It's usually this way. Fill in your details accordingly in this order: your email, your password, confirm password. Make sure that the invite code of your sponsor is showing here. After you have filled out, remember I jumped this space. After you have filled out the forms, now go to this verification code section. Click on send verification code. They will send you a code to your email. Get the code very quickly and put it here. Once you put it here, then click on register and you will be in. Now for the password, try to avoid using special characters so that you will have smooth experience signing up. I will go ahead and fill in this form for a new account I am creating. Once you register, it's gonna bring you to this page. If it's in Chinese, change the language to English here. Now next thing is to download the app. This app is only available on mobile. Download the app. I am using Android, so I'm gonna download this one. Install it. Meanwhile, it is also possible to go ahead and download the app and type in your sponsor's code and sign up, or you click on the link and have a smooth ride. When you open the app, it's gonna ask you to log in or register. You have already registered, so go ahead and log in. Now I am logged in. One of the first things you may want to do is to click on mine, the icon at the bottom right. Click on this random code they gave to you. Just click on that place. Select a nickname for yourself. So I will just change this. Make sure it is not longer than required. Looks like it's 8 they need, or less than 9 characters. Let's go back to the home page. Now when you land here, if you have some time, you might want to look at the user guide. Also watch some videos on quantitative courses. That is if you have time. Otherwise, the first thing you want to look at is activating your account. To activate your account, click on mine again. Click on assets. Click on deposit. Now you want to deposit, even though the activation fee for a year is $100, you want to add some money on top to cover your trading fees. You might want to send $120 for a start. What it means is that after you have paid your $100 activation fee, $20 will remain. These $20 will take care of your trading fees. $20 is 20% of $100. That means by the time you must have made $100 on Binance, you must have used up this money. So you want to top up them. Like me, my trading fee I reserved here when I signed up was $100 because I'm looking at making $1,000. Okay, so I didn't want to keep on sending small bits. But as a beginner, you could reserve $20 for fee. Copy this address and then head over to your wallet. Now this address is on TRC network, on Tron network, but you are sending USDT, right? So if you go to Binance or your wallet, if they have options for network, make sure it is on TRC20 network, and then you send the USDT to this address. It's gonna reflect in a couple of minutes. After some while, come back, click activate. They will minus $100 from your account, and this account will be activated. After you have done this, the next step would be to bind your Binance account to this software through API. Now you can see the API binding page from two places, either from the home page, API binding, or here when you click on mine, you will see API binding too, right? If you click on it, you will see two options, Binance and Huobi Exchange. If you want to trade on Binance, set up that of Binance. If you want Huobi, set up that of Huobi. The beautiful thing is that you could also trade on both with the same money you paid. Let me click on Binance. So we need to get these details from Binance, your API key and your secret key. If you don't have Binance account, create one. Is very easy. Okay, maybe I may link a video on how to create a Binance account. But everyone in my group, all the people in my private business group, you must be using Binance. If Binance is too difficult for you to set up, you could create an account on Huobi while you try to sort out yourself for Binance. Let's head over to Binance and see how to create an API. If you are a new user of Binance, probably you will be seeing a page with limited functionalities, something like this. This is Binance Lite. You want to use Binance Pro Edition, and how to do that is to click on the icon, image icon on top left, and turn off this Binance Lite, and your account will switch over to Binance Pro, where you have all the amazing functionalities. To create an API, click on More, scroll down to API Management, type in the name of the API you want to create. You could name it anything, maybe RoyalQ, and then hit on Create API. I have already created my API. As you can see, I have RoyalQ here. When you create the API, you will see your API key, these ones, and then you will see your secret key. It will be displaying. Copy the API key and secret key over to RoyalQ and paste them there. It is important that you keep these things secret. No one should see your secret key. That's why it is hidden. In fact, hide all of them. Also, it's important you leave these options at default. You will only allow the API to read and enable trading. Okay, it has the default, but you may want to read through to make sure that enable withdrawal and others are not ticked. Very important. Otherwise, anybody can withdraw money from your account, and you don't want this to happen. After you have set up the API, of course, during the setting up of this API, Binance will ask you to verify, normal verification, two-factor and whatever, and then you set it up. You head back to RoyalQ. Paste the API key here, paste the secret key here. When you get to verification code section, click on send. They will send you a code to your email again. Be fast about it, get the code, put it here, accept the terms, and click on bind. And this software will be linked to your Binance account, ready for your command to start trading for you. That's just that on introduction, sign up and setup of the RoyalQ trading software. In the next video, I am going to show you how to put this software at work to start making your profit continuously. If you love this program and you want to be part of my mentorship group, you want me to mentor you personally, then send me an email and let's get you started. I'm sure you are excited to see this software at work. See you in the next one.